If you're new to the channel, I'm Debbie and I've got lots of house cleaning experience. I did it as a pro for, I don't know, 35 years or something like that. A long time. I'm going to show you how to clean your tub today with some basic Ivory dishwashing soap. If you use something that has color in it, it could ruin your tub. You'd be surprised how those dyes actually do damage to your tub. Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. You can use a no-name kind, it does not matter. A couple of cloths, just some flannel. You know, old receiving blanket cut up, one for washing and one for drying. This is a man cave tub. It's not my tub. I'm in the process of moving and we're in a temporary spot and soon we're going to have only a shower. So I thought, well, I better use this bathtub to do a how to clean a bathtub video. So here we go. All I'm gonna do is take the Ivory and just squirt it around. As you can see, he's got some mildew built up. Forgive me if that part doesn't come clean, but I'm gonna show you the basics anyways today. So put some on your shiny parts too. Just squirt it right on there. Just wet your magic eraser a little bit. You don't need to soak it, you know, terribly. You just want to get it wet. They do disintegrate after time. Get in here in the tub with me. Maybe you can see the ring here. Let's see what we can do about that. And just give it a scrub with a little bit of elbow grease. It's gonna get a lot off. If you have hairy people in your family, you can use one of these screens. Then you don't have to do that whole hair pulling out thing. These work great. Get them at the dollar store. You can get the magic eraser at the dollar store too. And check this out. You know, the soap scum and everything is sometimes difficult to get off. The magic eraser will help, but definitely the Ivory gives it that extra boost. And soap helps to dislodge germs and then you can wash them away. So during these times, we're using soap to clean our hands and to keep us nice and clean. Same concept in your bathroom. You don't necessarily have to use harmful things to your health in order to get rid of those germs. You just have to scrub, use some soap. And this little thing down here, it always gets terrible watermarks on it and everything. You just give it a little bit of a scrub, you're gonna see how nice and shiny it'll come. This bar always seems to be an issue too. So just, you know, give it a good clean. Get in underneath and around the little ledges. Well, you get the gist of it. Now you gotta make sure you rinse well. Now if you have one of these handy dandy things, you can do it really easy. When you don't, you got to do the bucket method that floods the bathroom. I hate the bucket method. I always try to make sure I have one of these on every tub. It's a way easier method. Some nice hot water. It's possible to flood the bathroom this way too, so you still have to be careful, right? Check out the shine on that. Take a nice dry cloth, give it a wipe, and look at that. It's so shiny you can see me, look. So you can give the rest of the sides a little wipe. Make sure you get the front part over here too, down to the floor. That part matters. Try Ivory and the magic eraser. Yay, the man tub is clean. I can have a shower now. If you want to see more cleaning tips like this one, then please subscribe, and I'd love to hear from you, so say hello in the comments down below, and I'll talk to you soon. See ya! If you've got a ton of shampoos and things like that, you know, it makes it more difficult to clean up. And so one thing that I'm trying to do is not buy so much of that stuff. We really don't need all that stuff, do we?